You fixed the tech, you've stopped the engagement mistakes, you've even mapped out the energy of your event like a show. So now what? How do you take all of that, the visuals, the timing, the delivery, and make it feel effortless for you and unforgettable for your audience? That's exactly what we're doing today. Next. Hey, I'm Ella Glasgow, and I help small business owners and corporate leaders show up like pros in every virtual meeting, presentation, and event that they lead. And over the last few videos, we've been unpacking the real reasons your virtual audience checks out and the tools that you can use to keep them locked in. You have seen what's really causing people to disengage, and hint, it is not your smarts. You've also seen how your mic setup could be sabotaging your credibility and the biggest myths that people still believe about virtual event engagement, and how to design a virtual experience that builds energy instead of draining it. And hey, if you are just now finding this video and thinking, wait, what did I miss? Don't worry, this is part of a full series where I walk you through each piece of this puzzle, and I will drop the playlist link in the description below or somewhere around here so that you can catch up from the beginning. So now the question is, how do you actually make all of this work together? So we're going to break this down. First of all, we've got to lay that foundation, and everything starts with clarity. Not just clarity on your content, but clarity on your promise. Are you trying to educate, inspire, sell, build authority? Your intention dictates the tone, the pace, the energy, and the structure. And if you skip this step, everything else falls apart. And pulling all the pieces together is where most people get overwhelmed. They have great ideas, they've got the good mic, they've got the better slides, but no structure. So let me simplify it. When I build a virtual event or even a solo presentation, I think on terms of moments, not segments. And you already saw this when we walked through the event energy map in the last video. That map gives your audience a rhythm to follow, but now you've got to place your specific content into it. So let's say you're leading a 60-minute workshop. You might open with a short story or a powerful question. You know, that's energy level 3.5, your opener. Then flow into your first big idea, which is the intro moment at an energy level 4. Then you can offer a practical takeaway. That's the content moment at energy level 3. Then pause for a shift in energy, a quick story, a reflection, a laugh. That's energy shift at level 2, and so on and so forth, following that roller coaster arc. But now you're not guessing anymore. You're guiding. And that confidence, it shows up on screen, which is the next thing that I want to know. Which part of this 5-part video series hit you the hardest? Was it the mic fix, the myths that you didn't even realize you were still believing, or the energy map that made everything click? I want you to let me know in the comments, because I want to hear from you what you are going to be putting into action first. And now here's the real secret. Knowing all this is great, but implementing it, that is where the real transformation happens. So if you've been watching this series thinking, Ella, I want this, I want to show up like a rock star in every virtual meeting, event, and presentation that I lead, then let's make it happen together. I am opening a mini cohort of the Rockstar Video Academy. It's a focused, high-touch, 4-week experience where I'll help a small group of business owners and leaders just like you apply everything that we've talked about. You will refine your camera and mic and lighting setup without having to buy new gear, master your delivery and energy on screen, and learn how to structure your presentation for engagement, connection, and clarity, and get live feedback along the way. But here's the thing. This isn't a course that you just binge in silence and forget. It is a done with you experience. It's intimate, it's personal, and it's application only. Because I want to make sure every person who joins is really ready to step into this. If that's you, click the link in the description below to apply now. Spots are limited and we're kicking things off soon. And if you're not quite ready for that, stick around because I have got plenty more videos coming your way to help you rock your virtual presence one video presentation at a time. So thanks for joining me in this series, and I can't wait to see how you show up.